Hi, do you want to spend Durga Puja in Kolkata? Do you want to do pandal hopping and visit as many pandals as you can in one day? Well, I know I do. So let's get started. In this one, we'll be covering North Kolkata, but namely Lake Town and the Salt Lake area. So this is going to have a few places, and to travel to a few of the other places, I think you're going to need you're going to need a personal vehicle or a taxi or a car. But in the Lake Town area, you can travel most of the places. Okay, so let's get started. Starting with Lake Town. We are starting on the EM bypass, VIP Road. So we'll be starting at Lake Town Footbridge near the AE block of Salt Lake. So this is Salt Lake. It's very planned. It's a very planned township. Looks good. So from the footbridge, the first place you can stop at is the AE Park. Many people don't know these places. They directly go to Shobhumi and then return from Shobhumi because they don't know the other places they can go to. That's why I'm making this video, so that it helps you, the viewer, to navigate through Kolkata. And this is a travel channel, but I'm helping you. This is basically traveling, so hopefully this helps you. Okay, so after AE Park Durga Puja Pandal, this is the AE Park and AE Part 1 they call it. I really don't know why. I don't live over here. Like after the AE Park, you head towards Sribhumi, which is the main attraction in this area. They make like extraordinary type of pandals with sometimes with gold, sometimes with diamonds, things like that. Don't go off scaling them because there are people to stop you from doing that. So after visiting the Sribhumi Durga Puja Pandal, you can walk towards the main road, towards Calcutta Institute of Nursing, and just a little north over there, just a little distance, you'll have the next one, which is the Lake Town Adivashi Brindo. Lake Town Adivashi Brindo Durgotsav is right over here near Joya Multiplex, and from there you can head towards Lake Town stoppage on the northern side, and on Joshua Road it's not too much of a distance, but you can always get an auto towards Dum Dum Park, where you have 3 pujas, one after the other, well actually 4. And from Dum Dum Park, in Dum Dum Park, you have the Dum Dum Park Torun Shangho marked over here, E. Then you have the Dum Dum Park Bharat Chakra, then the Dum Dum Park Shorbajanin, and finally the Dum Dum Park Jubok Brindo. After you finish these places, then you're left back on the EM bypass near the Keshtapur Baguraji flyover, and from where you can return home if you want to, or if you have a car or if you want to take a cab, you can cover a few more places actually, which is this route basically. So starting from either B and C part or the A part, in the A part you have the FD block, which is the most famous of all these places, and after that you have AJ block and the AK block. So these 2 places also you can take a look. These are comparatively much newer Durga Pujas compared to all the other places in Kolkata, but they are doing good actually. They're doing quite good. And for returning from here, you can get autos till Central Park and City Center from either of these places, and from there you can return home in a variety of ways, I guess, or you can head towards Vidhannagar train station, and from there you can return by train as well. So this has been a short video with not too many places to visit, but definitely I think like you need a car to visit these places because during the pujas especially, I haven't seen many autos or buses flying through these roads. Usually they are quite empty of public transport during this time. But in the northern side you will get places. And I also suggest you to have some food after you finish this, and then after having the food, if you feel like you want to cover some other places as well, then you should definitely do it. Even the first city center is over here close by, where you can, if you want to, you can have some food. Nearby places are there, and in city center there are some restaurants also, it being a mall and all. So I hope you like this video. I hope this video has been helpful to you. It has given you some kind of value. If it did, leave a like below, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified of the next videos as soon as they're out. And hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.